Hey guys, let me show you one of the my favorite tools for shortening and managing links. It's called QuitURL.com. QuitURL is a powerful privacy-friendly URL shortener. It lets you create branded short links, generate QR codes, even track links click in real time. Just paste your links, paste your long links and click shorten and boom. Okay, it is your link and you have got a smart short link ready to share. You can customize it, set an expiration time and targeting rules, or even do A/B testing. Okay, go to a dashboard and uh, use it A/B testing. This is your links. Okay, edit. You can set multiple roles or multiple A/B testing, or you can set pixel tracking pixel etc. Okay, unlike a basic URL link shortener, QuitURL gives you full control. I prefer to marketers, creators and businesses who want to track links and protect their links. Okay, now go to QuitURL.com right now and try it for free, completely free. Okay, this is pricing section. Monthly price, short link 50 per month, link click unlimited, data retention 30 days, buy pages no, QR code 10 per month. It's a completely free, and also you can upgrade basic plan, or you can choose this is a advanced plan. I prefer to you choose a premium plan. This is a best plan for everyone. Okay, if are you a marketer, creators or businesses, uh, so you can use this premium feature or free premium plan. Premium plan yearly package is the best, 99 USD. Okay, 99 USD per year. Okay, shorten link to 20,000 monthly, link clicks unlimited, data retention 3 year, buy pages 100, QR code 500 per month. Also you can feature bulk QR codes, buy page widget and custom landing page 50, CTA overlay 100, branded domain 10, tracking pixel 100, tracking pixel like Google Pixel or Facebook Pixel. Channel, you can create a multiple channel. That means you can create multiple folder per folder. Suppose you have a two company, one company name is company 1, second company name is company 2, so you can create multiple companies, multiple channel. Okay, you can create campaign. Also you have a team member, so you can add your team, custom alias, deep linking, geo targeting, device targeting, language targeting, A/B testing, etc. Everything feature available in this website. You can use this website name is QuitURL.com. So right now and go to QuitURL.com and try it for free. Okay, also you can try 40 days free trial. Okay, no credit card required. uh, QuitURL is a smarter, shorten smarter, brand better and grow fast. I prefer, if are you buy to premium plan, I prefer please buy this plan. Okay, this is a this plan name is premium plan. You can choose yearly plan. Okay, 99 USD. Okay, thank you.